Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your diversification strategy with BlackRock, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your current diversification strategy. Review your existing portfolio to understand your asset allocation. Assess the performance of each asset class within your portfolio. Determine the goals of your investment strategy. Consider your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Research different asset classes that align with your goals. Explore BlackRock's investment options, including ETFs and mutual funds. Review BlackRock's market insights and research reports. Use BlackRock's tools and calculators to project potential outcomes. Evaluate how these new investments fit into your current strategy. Rebalance your portfolio by selling underperforming assets. Allocate funds to new investment opportunities based on your research. Ensure your new diversification strategy aligns with both short-term and long-term goals. Monitor your portfolio regularly for performance and market changes. Stay updated on financial news that may impact your investments. Adjust your strategy as necessary, based on performance and market conditions. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Review your diversification strategy annually to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. Stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.